CERT is the Community Emergency Response Team program for New York City.
The most important thing that you got to understand about CERT is we really can't operate without the community.
CERT members like me are trained in basic response skills by members of the FDNY, NYPD, and New York City Emergency Management.
It is great to be able to learn from them firsthand, something that they do every single day to keep us safe, especially here in New York.
We learn all kinds of valuable skills.
Floods, fires, being evacuated from your home, any emergency.
How to make go bags, how to complete an emergency plan.
I have a whole newfound awareness of how to stay safe on the subway, which is a very big thing.
When you're disabled, you have to be able to plan ahead for yourself and others around you.
You're trained over multi-weeks in a whole variety of different things, from first aid to crowd control. Traffic control is a biggie.
Everyone can contribute, and that's an important part of being a community emergency response team member.
This is something that's worth my time to volunteer.
As a CERT volunteer, I'm trained to help all New Yorkers regardless of any ability they have.
The more you know, the more you're able to help your neighbors. So we need you in our community.
New York City CERT volunteers come from all 5 boroughs. All of us are working together to make sure that all of our neighborhoods are safe, prepared.
There's very little more rewarding than helping somebody out who's in distress.
Please join us.
Get involved.
Become a volunteer today.